Hello folks and welcome to the Miklos channel. Today we have a very special guest. We will be talking about the HMS Iron Duke, which is a pioneer knife issued by ID Ltd. Stay tuned. So this knife comes in a beautiful cardboard box, and there is a nice print, as you can see, of this famous warship, the HMS Iron Duke, on top of it. Inside you will find a colorful leaflet with some nice artwork and a short description what this limited Pioneer Edition is all about. All the packaging is beautifully made. The box, the print and also the inlay have a very valuable feel to it. So holding it in your hand makes you realize that this is far more than just your average limited edition. It's something really special. The HMS Iron Duke was a dreadnought battleship of the Royal Navy. She was the lead ship of her class, named in honor of Arthur Wellesley, the first Duke of Wellington. During the First World War, the Iron Duke served as the flagship of the Grand Fleet. And that included the Battle of Jutland, and she got very famous for inflicting severe damage on the German battleship SMS König early in the main fleet action. Her history even continued during the Second World War, where she was moored in Scapa Flow as a harbor defense ship, and in October she was badly damaged by German bombers, but she was saved from sinking. So later on she continued to serve as an anti-aircraft platform for the duration of the war, and was broken up for scrap in the late 1940s. So this is quite a famous ship and well worth for a special limited run of a knife, I think. So what you can see here is the very nice imprint of the issuing company, ID Ltd. It's a beautiful blue color. Everything else is pretty much standard Victorinox Pioneer. So what this knife makes very special is that there is a very beautiful blade etching on the main blade that resembles the shape of the HMS Iron Duke. And this etching actually was made by Victorinox in Ibach, so this is not some sort of aftermarket etching, it's the real thing. Other than that, you have the standard toolset of every Pioneer knife, like the screwdrivers, and you have the can opener and the bottle opener, and whatever you would expect from a Pioneer. So I have to say I'm very happy that this beautiful knife is part of my collection. I have the number 15 of 100 pieces that have been issued. I like it a lot. If you like this knife too, or maybe if you have some additional information about the Iron Duke or about this knife, don't hesitate to put it in the comments. I'm very glad for any information you can provide. So that's about it for today. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you at the next video. Bye bye.